What's up, guys and gals? I got a little bit of a product review for you today. I got this Bars Leaks radiator stop leak. It's concentrate. It also says it seals leaks in radiators, gaskets, heater cores, and freeze plugs. Works with any color antifreeze. Now that is a good thing. Stops and seals coolant leaks. It's made by Bars Leaks. I'll be honest, I have used it. I really don't like using this kind of stuff, but number one, if you do get a radiator leak and you need to fix it real quick and you can't really afford to go out and get a new radiator right away, this stuff will work. Yeah, it works quite well. Honestly, you don't want to leave this in your system for too long. It can clog up the ports. It can clog up your thermostat. It can do all kinds of damage to your vehicle if you're not careful. So you if you use this, make sure that it is temporarily. It is not a permanent solution by any means. So if you do use it, try to get your radiator fixed or replaced as soon as possible, and then you want to do a really good flush of the system. I know I've been pretty impressed with the Prestone flushing cleaner. It actually worked great on my buddy's ride. It's worked really good on my mom's car. I did use it in my truck that I had, and it did work, but I ended up having to replace that radiator anyways because it was the old ancient copper radiator. It was old and it was just nasty. It was far beyond anything other than it just needed replaced, and plus it had a hole in it anyways. Anyhow, does what it's supposed to do mostly. If it's not a huge hole in your radiator or whatever, it will help. It will fix it. I do have it in my car right now because I had to get a hole patched up real quick. Hopefully soon enough I can get another radiator. That way I can get it all flushed out and kind of start over, and hopefully I don't damage my water pump or my thermostat with it. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Feel free to subscribe, hit the notifications. Have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.